Dr. Will Holdsworth, your San Jose chiropractor from Pain Relief Chiropractic. What I wanted to tell you today is about how chiropractic adjustments can help with your neck pain. Now, we all have neck pain at some point in our lives. It could be from a long drive, it could be from phone use, poor ergonomics, sleeping postures. All that kind of stuff can cause the neck pain. Now let's look at how chiropractic adjustments are going to help with your neck pain. Chiropractic actually is two different words. Chiro is hand, and then praxis is the action. So we're using our hands to perform like a rapid movement into a joint to help encourage proper motion. What the effects of this is that it will help restore mobility in restricted areas. Basically, it's going to encourage motion. The body senses pain and motion as opposites. If there's not enough motion in a joint, then the body's going to sense that as pain. It's also the adjustment's going to stimulate neuroreceptors, which is going to cause a relaxing effect on the muscles around the joint. And it will also affect the neurological structures, the parasympathetic and the sympathetic nervous system, which will benefit your digestion potentially, cardio, your whole cardio system, and other systems that actually aren't usually related to chiropractic. People don't usually typically think like, oh wow, I had no idea that would help me. Joint manipulation is not new at all. It's been going on since 400 BC, and then the chiropractic profession was developed in the late 1800s. Now there's overwhelming evidence about chiropractic being safe and effective treatment for back pain, neck pain, and headaches, and other maladies. So it's really kind of a neat therapy. If you've never experienced it before, I highly recommend you try it out. There's different types of manual therapies that chiropractors use. If you're one of those people who's like, I don't want to have my neck crack or back cracked, you can get mobilization done by a chiropractor, and that's going to involve just slow motions, not really any crack noises. It's going to just kind of provide manual traction on joints and muscles to help loosen you up. We can also do muscle work, which is like usually ART, some Graston work, which will help with muscle knots, scar tissue, and tightness in muscles. So that's what chiropractic does for neck pain. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment. I'm Dr. Will Holdsworth, your San Jose chiropractor from Pain Relief Chiropractic. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.